Brow by Benefit. I've been using the My Precisely Brow Pencil, which is like my favorite all-time like brow product. They sent me that, and they sent me this, the little brow package. It was so awesome. Like, I literally cried. A new product that I'm probably gonna go out and buy and test it out because it looks pretty cool. I don't know what the product is called. I just know it's another brow product. No, it's a Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I love to conceal and prime my eyes with this concealer. I don't know why. I just really love it. Okay, so I haven't set my eyelids yet. And that's what I'm gonna do now. Dermablend actually sent me a little care package too, and I have been setting my eyes with the translucent powder after I conceal them. Darling. Okay, so I was saying this in my last video, but I've never used the regular one, the translucent one, but I really love the yellow like banana illuminating one from Dermablend, and that's the one I've been using for like a year and a half. And so then they sent me this one and a couple other products that I will show you guys and, you know, let you guys know how they work for me and how I like them. But yeah, I do like this powder. Like, especially if I'm not tan or anything, or I want to set my eyes like this, I'd rather do it with this one than the banana one. Ordered the little Going Coconuts collection, this palette, and 2 bronzers from Colourpop right before I moved. $12. I need to stop looking right here. $12 for 9 shadows. I have this one, the orange, the yellow, pink, and I love them all. AH34 Culotta. Tilt it back. Put it right in there. Right in the crease, back and forth, swirl it up in there. And then once you get like to right here, you're gonna blend it out. Darling. Go in with Nutty. Darling. Also sent me this Pore Saver Matte Makeup Primer. It says oil absorbing primer, up to 24-hour wear. A little goes a long way, literally, like that's all you need. So I just rub it in. Look at this freaking Lion King shirt. I found it at the flea market right before I left to come back here, which, by the way, I don't know if you guys know this. I said it in my last video that I tried to film. I just moved like 1,600 miles from LA to Arkansas. It's where my mom lives, and I have like 3 aunts here now. My grandmother, cousins, they have kids. So it's actually really nice to be here now. Obviously a lot different than LA, but it's okay. We can always go back if we wanted to. We can always visit. We have family there. So that's good. I mean, I really just love paying not as much rent. It was literally ridiculous. I can literally tell a difference in my skin. I did order the powder as well. Every time I went into the store at Morphe, this color was sold out. Beige is the one I picked out. It's like a weird. I have to hold my breath. Okay, so besides making me cough for some fucking reason, I really like, I do like this powder. I think it looks pretty. I'm gonna see how well it wears right now. It's not hot. It's like really cool outside. It's sunny. I really love to use this 127. It's a cheek brush from Zoeva. I've had this literally for like 7-8 years. It's my favorite brush to like bronze and contour with. I don't know why. I know it's a blush one, but darling, let me, darling, let me, darling, let me, take Gleam and mix a little bit of ice and Gleam together. I really like these, but I kind of feel like they're a little dry. But, it looks really pretty. But I just feel like it's a little dry. I don't know if that's just me or what. Open this and kind of like see what it's about. I'm really curious and I don't want to wait. Like, I was so mad last time. I forgot about it. The packaging is really pretty. This is what it looks like when you open it. I'm just going to pour a little bit out. Just going to swirl it together.
Darling.